How to log into Ocean credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Ocean credit card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Ocean Finance, open it. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in your email address and then click on sign in. Or also you can use Facebook or LinkedIn to continue. If you have created your account using Facebook or LinkedIn, you can use these options, or else you can type in your email address then click on sign in. Now you will be receiving mail from Ocean. You have to open that mail and click on it, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can head towards the credit card section and get access to your credit card. So this way you can easily log into Ocean credit card account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.